more minutes.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Wow. 4 minutes. Wow, I love that minis.
That's a dirt bike track.
Where? Okay.
Right there. Look.
We have minis too, but we already sold it to our neighbor. There's more?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's what that is too, is a dirt bike track.
Yeah.
Hasn't been used in a while, that's for damn sure. I wonder who owns it.
That's nice. And here is the dirt bike track here. Look at that, my love. Truck there. Dirt bike or what is it?
Interesting. Okay.
There's a park. 2 minutes left us. I love minis, but it's too small too.
I'm not in a big rush. I'm just taking my time.
Yeah. I can't drive minis because it's manual transmission.
Manual.
Manual. But it's so cool. There's very good in gas and fast too. And this is Allison Lake. Allison Lake. Nice one. It's just a small lake, but it's part
Very
of
nice.
it's part of BC Park. And yeah, the lake here is very clean. And
Who owns that? I'd like to find out.
which one? So we're going to Merritt this time, and here's our way. So in our way, there's a lot of farms, cow farms, and this is part of the Allison
That's
Lake.
beautiful. Look at that.
And it's beautiful. The color of the water is
So green.
green, and green means very clean. Look at that. See, I think water from the
Glacier.
glacier, right? It's beautiful. And this lake, it looks beautiful. No one camping there, right? Oh, look at that. Nice one. And another community. Live close to the lake. Wow. It's just a small community, but it
It's
looks like.
summer homes, babe.
What is that?
There's summer homes.
Summer homes. Okay, only when
Cottage area.
cottage or oh yeah. But that one is not. It
House
looks
for
nice.
sale.
It looks nice.
But if you look that up, it's probably millions of dollars.
Oh. And it's good for farming here. Right. This is huge too. Look at that. I think that is for hay, right?
No.
No?
Cows just grazing.
For grazing. To another lake here. This is again another lake.
told you, you want to go on a ride? You're going to be on a ride.
Look at the view, guys. It's beautiful. Now, the area is clean. It's clear. Look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful mountains, beautiful nature. So this is one of the reasons why they call beautiful British Columbia. And we are close to Merritt, 40 kilometers away. So Merritt is one of the windy area of BC. So I keep telling myself, maybe my husband, how come it's windy? Well, you can see lots of to the other side. When you look the other side is mountain. Look around, and you look to the other side is mountain, front mountain, back mountain, and still windy. And your reason, love?
Well, it causes, it's almost like a funnel. The wind goes down inside the valley and picks up speed. And so it's not that the mountains stop the wind. It increases the wind because it causes like a funnel effect.
Thank you. So, look guys, here there's not that much trees. It looks like
Fire.
it was damaged by fire.
Some of this was, yeah.
Okay. Oh, and here is, and look at that, no trees at all. It looks like a ranch.
It is. They're both ranches.
Ranches here.
Yeah, hundreds of acres of ranches. Just as big as what the Yellowstone is.
Oh, nice.
That ranch there goes right up over the hill. So
And
this one's
this side too. Yeah, I was wondering why there's no trees here, but then my husband told me that it's a ranch, and I never saw a ranch before. No ranch in the Philippines, because some of the people, especially farmer, they own only a small area. Unlike here, that ranchers or farmers, they own like hundreds of acres of land, and then they have their own equipment, farm equipment. So yeah, that makes the farmers here very, very rich.
no.
Why? Like for example, the farmers have 100 cows, okay? Then why they're not rich?
Because the market fluctuates, babe.
Oh well, but I mean they have their own facility.
Oh, yeah.
I mean they have their own equipment to use for the farms. And why? Well, some people success,
Some people are, yes, of course.
right? But the Yellowstone, according to the Yellowstone, they are negative. What do you call? They don't earn profit. That's why they just sold their land.
That's right.
But it was a very nice story, which I cannot stop watching. It's beautiful, the countryside. And now I can hear the sound of the wind, even it's sunny. So it's summertime, people are out for camping. And right now, you can see the road, it's empty. Because they are, most of them, they are in the camping site or going somewhere to have fun. Hiking, dirt biking, or going for fishing. But here in Canada, you can just see people, especially Canadian. They don't go much in shopping. They don't spend more time in shopping. They go for camping or something funny. Right, love? And for me, I found camping is more fun here. I love when I'm starting to make fire. I love going for fishing, which my husband don't like it. He has no patience at all. That's funny, but it's true. So guys, I will show you later when we reach Merritt. We will show you the community in Merritt. Bye for now. See you later.